Sean album. Yo, we got some promo on the way. Essential. Every day we vlogging, bro. I might not upload every day, but every day we gonna be vlogging, playboy. I'm a daily upload, dog. I'm a daily upload. I don't care how whack the videos be. As a kid, I always said, I pledge allegiance to the bag. So that's what we get into. Yeah. That intro is so fire.
I'm devoted and hated.
What?
I recoded the matrix.
What?
I just loaded the bases.
What?
You know I'ma make it.
Hey, boy, get your ass up before I beat your ass.
Oh, you talk about that.
I'll slap the on your bitch ass.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, bruh. Ooh. Ooh.
You had a job, you got nothing better to do. You come up with shit to talk about. No life having an ass, bruh.
See, that's how I'm gonna sneak up on and knock your ass out, nigga. Better watch out.
I remember that day, bro. I'ma sleep your ass.
I'ma slay. I'ma NyQuil your ass. I'ma slap Randy so hard. Gonna have power steering in his head. Cause it's gonna be on a swivel. I think I'm gonna go get a tattoo. Well,
Yo. I'm back. Back like I never left.
yo. Why are you vlogging at the ground? Vlog up.
Yo.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
No. I don't know if I can be a professional vlogger.
I'm not a professional vlogger.
You are.
Can you imagine meeting a girl, right? And she like, what do you do for work? Hey, shorty, I'm a professional vlogger. How can you be a professional vlogger? Oh, you just need a camera. Does that make me a professional vlogger?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
So I'm starting hitting them like, hey, girl, hey, look. I'm a professional vlogger, shorty. You like, you get a job.
Or you can say you just have over 200 cameras.
Or I could be like, I'm that. Oh, we almost crashed.
It wasn't funny.
Yeah, I know. You heard that new Big Sean?
Nah, I didn't hear it, bro.
I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. Hey, man, tell them what's going on with your car.
No new changes yet.
That's it. You guys remember how I said that, like, trying to build a race car is expensive? I wasn't lying. This is $1,400, right? That equals 5 parts. 5 important parts that I need for my car. Why is everything so expensive? I purchased my tires today. I also landed a sponsorship, but I'll talk about that once the tires arrive. But I paid half off, so I paid $300 for tires. I gotta buy a Hans device, rear sway bar, harness bar, compliance bushings, trailing arm bushings, do need gloves. I'm gonna buy shoes too. Shoes are cheap. I looked at RaceQuip, they're like 70 bucks. I don't necessarily need a lap timer, but I'm gonna buy it anyway. And that's gonna cost me $150, and I'm getting a deal. I tell you guys this because I just really want you guys to like, I just really want you to cop some Zosh MFG merch. That's it. Bro, why you gotta look fresh for, bro? We're going to the mall. Dog, you got Yeezys on. Where are you going, bro? We going to the mall, Justice. Why you gotta... I'm wearing 2 different color shade of grays. And some busted SBs. This man, you got cologne on? Oh my... Justice, what we... You trying to find some girls, dog. Boy, I tell you, boy, these kids these days got something in they soap. Cause they be trying to pipe anything, dog. This makes no sense. Dog, what? I said we going to the mall. Just had to put on his best uniform. Dang. Let me put y'all on game real quick. If you go to Starbucks, this is what you get. It's a vanilla bean frappuccino with Java chips. Bro, I'm a Dunkin' fanboy, but that right there, son, Woo! Slap!
Your feelings ain't no sorries. No sorries. Shoot that nigga and it's shorty. It's shorty.
Alright, so it is time to clean up old girl. Got my pressure washer back from Randy Built's house. And now the whole gang got West Force pressure washers. This pressure washer is the bee's knees, baby. So let's get this old girl cleaned up and then we'll go from there. Squeaky weaky.
Ice, ice, ice. Yeah.
So I talked to the homie David from Hybrid today. Got some great news pertaining Grid Life, NOLA Motorsports, and Crustina. That's exciting. I'm thinking about really boosting the RSX. I'm trying to find a used turbo kit, like a full turbo kit used, because I don't care. So if I find one for a good deal, I'll probably buy it and boost the RSX. I need boost back in my life, dog. What do you guys think about this design right here? I'm thinking about doing it as a door magnet sticker, well, a door magnet, and it's gonna be on a t-shirt with a bunch of sponsors on the back. It should be pretty cool. It's gonna be on a white shirt, black text, should be dope. Or black shirt, white text, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But what do you guys think about that? I didn't even show you guys the tattoo I got. Mac Miller tribute tattoo, yes sir. And that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever video this was. If you did enjoy it, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy it, please dislike the video. I don't give a f. If you care enough to support me and what I do and the channel and all that fun jazz, link down below to Zosh MFG. I'm out. Peace.